Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on four words: late, life, letter, keep. So the first word is late, L-A-T-E, late. Rishi slept late at night and he woke up late in the morning. He was late for work. Why so late, Rishi? Boss, I woke up late. Also, when I reached the station, the train was running late. I'll stay late and complete the file. Okay, boss. That will be better, Rishi. Hello, Seema. We are working late in the office. It will be late when I reach home. Don't wait for dinner. Okay, take care. I'll wait for you. The second word is life. L-I-F-E, life. It takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. We can't depend on others to run our life. We have to run our own life. The most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. Life is a lively process. My life is my message. My life is like the rising sun. Our life is what our thoughts make it. The purpose of our life is to be happy. The third word is letter. The teacher asked the students to write a letter to their friend. One of the sweetest things in life, a letter from a loved one. I got a letter from my friend. I love writing letters. The English alphabet has 26 letters. A capital letter is used at the beginning of a sentence. The fourth word is keep. K-E-E-P, keep. Keep smiling. You will be happy. You must keep your room clean. Sir, how long can I keep this book? You can keep it for a week. After that, you have to return it to the library. Thank you, sir. I'll keep your advice in mind. My studies keep me pretty busy. Don't make promises you can't keep. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. With this, we finish another set of 20 words. So let's revise those 20 words. Found, far, feet, friend, fish, face, food, for, few, grow, got, group, learn, let, last, left, late, life, letter, keep. As I always say, keep on practicing English. If you really want to learn English, the main funda is listen to the exercises. We have almost come to 260 words in English, and I have framed so many sentences. So by now you will also get a knack of thinking in English, of saying English for different objects, or simple sentences like I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning, I went out to the store, I brought groceries. So small sentences where you can develop the process of speaking English better. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson with another set of 20 words. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.